Yeah. So hello everyone. Good morning and good evening. Okay. Why good morning means by the people who are joining from US. Okay. Good evening for Indians. I mean the India people. Okay, fine. So yesterday we were discussing about the demo, right? So what is Angular 10 online training and what concept we discussed, the complete overview we have discussed yesterday. And today the plan is we will make a software installation today. Okay, so once we do software installation from Monday onwards, we'll start the actual development and learning process, right? So Monday we can directly start with the TypeScript. Okay, so that goes for 1 week, this 5 to 6 days, and then we'll start Angular. Okay, so today we're gonna start with this part. Okay, so software installations, and these are all the softwares we're going to install today. Okay, so I just go through each and every step, how to install. First we need this Notepad++. Why Notepad++ means it's just an advanced version of regular Microsoft Notepad. This is having multiple language options. Okay, so syntactical support is there for various languages, so we can just see the code, and we can also take some running notes, okay, about the apps and all what we develop. So for that we can even make some documentation for commands, okay, so what we use for Angular development and all. So for that purpose we need this Notepad++ and Node.js. So we're going to develop a server-side platform. So we need to install a Node.js. Okay, and even for Angular, we need Node.js. Okay, and after that, MongoDB. This is a database. Okay, for permanent storage of your application data, and we have Insomnia and Postman. So these two actually for see, we write REST API for server side, okay, using Express.js and Node.js. So to test that backend API, we need these two. You can use any one, Insomnia or Postman. So these two are the REST clients to test the backend REST API. And Heroku, this is the command line to deploy your applications to this Heroku online deployment platform. And Git, this is to make implementation of version control for your project. And Angular CLI. So this is the command line interface for Angular to create various components, services, and like modules, interceptors, guards. So for that, so Angular snippet, if you want to create, we need this. And we have to install TypeScripts. So we're going to write TypeScript programs and we're going to compile it. So we need a TypeScript compiler. So for that reason, we have to install TypeScript. And the most important thing is editor. Okay, so this is the editor. Uh, we have WebStorm, and we have Visual Studio Code, Atom, and brackets. Okay, you can choose any one. Okay, but in my class, mostly I use WebStorm. Okay, this is most powerful than any other. If you're already familiar with VS Code, you can happily use that. Not much difference. Okay, so I show you the installation of both. Okay, so first let's start with Notepad++. Okay, so I show you how to install, from where you have to install. So once you have done with this class, you make sure you install at least by tomorrow, and keep your laptop ready with all the softwares on Monday. So from Monday we start the actual development. And today also it's a free class. Okay, anybody can join. And so Monday onwards, it's a paid. Okay, so only 2 days is demo. This also comes under the demo class. And Monday onwards you have to pay the fees. And please do share me the screenshot of the payment so that I can give you access for my Google Drive, where I can upload all the project files, this PPT, and daily classroom videos and everything. Okay, you can directly access to that drive whenever you want, 24/7, anytime you can access that drive, and you can download the files and you can practice yourself. Okay, fine. So let's start with software installation. First, Notepad++. Let me. Okay, for Notepad++, very simple. All software installation very simple. Just go to Google and download it and double click next install. Okay, but some software is required to check the version and all, and they need some environment variable setup. So we'll see them. I didn't receive the email for payment yet. I sent yesterday. Okay, okay, I'll check. I'll check. Okay, fine. One more thing, those who have not received, actually yesterday itself I shared the payment details. Those who have not received the payment uh, email, okay, the payment options. Uh, Along with this, I have other payment options like bank account number and all. I shared yesterday. I sent everyone, but those who was missed getting that mail of payment. So please drop me a mail on this email ID. Okay. So just drop me a mail on this email ID, navin.uibrains@gmail.com, for payment details. So I'll be sharing it. Okay. Maybe somehow I missed your email ID. Okay. So let's I'll send again. Okay. Fine. And now let's start with Notepad++. Very simple. Just go to Google and you type Notepad++. Yeah, this is the official website and this is the official logo. And you can see the logo also here. Okay. Let me open this. In this URL, you have multiple downloads and you can choose the latest version, that is 7.8.9. Just click on that. Inside you have two versions. One is 32-bit and other one is 64-bit. So if your system is 32-bit, you can go ahead for 32-bit. If your system Windows is 64-bit, you can go with 64-bit. I hope you know this one, right? If you're not sure that sir, my system is 32-bit or 64-bit, I'm not sure. If you're not sure, you do one thing. You can just open your My Computer, this PC, right click, properties. You can check somewhere here. See, system type is 64-bit operating system. Okay, this RAM and all. Okay, so 64-bit. So if you see 64, your system is 64-bit. Okay, so just like that. So mine is 64 bits. So I can choose download 64-bit installer. You can choose any options here. Zip file, 7Z, minimalist, anything. You can just directly click on installer. You can directly install the software. Okay, just click on the installer. Okay, it's going to download. I'll just cancel it. I have already downloaded it. Okay, so once you download it, on your downloads folder, you can find this one, NPP 7.8.9. This is the Notepad++. Okay, this is Notepad++. And next, I just show you the download of all the softwares, and then I tell you how to install them. Okay, so first let's download all the softwares together. Fine, and this is Notepad++. Okay, and next, what next? Node.js. So how to install Node.js is, go to Google again, type Node.js. Yeah, so this is official website, nodejs.org, and this is the logo. Let me open this Node.js. Here you can find actually two versions. One is 12.18 and 14.9. So better select this one, 12.18. Okay, so recommend for most of the users. This is still in development, so they keep doing some changes. So don't go with this. You can go with this. Okay, and if anybody using apart from Windows, okay, this is for Windows 64. If you are using any other like Mac and Linux, so you can just click on other downloads link. It will go to this downloads page. Here you can choose Windows 32-bit, 64-bit, and Mac OS, Linux, and all. So you can choose any one. So mine is Windows 64-bit. Just click on 64-bit. Okay, it will download a software. This one. So I have already, and that's an Node.js, and similar to OS. Yeah, Mac OS same. You just have to check the Mac OS installer. Okay, and next, MongoDB. So how to download MongoDB is, you can go to Google again, type MongoDB. This is official website and this is the logo, mongodb.com. Let me open this. Yeah, this is official website, and in this you can download to just hover on software. You get the first link, that is community server. Just click on the community server. Okay, this is for local installation. Cloud environment, I'll tell you in the last. Okay, this is for local. Okay, and here once you select this community server, you get this page, and right hand side you can find available downloads. So this will automatically select your platform, Windows or Mac, depending on your operating system. If not choose the properly, you can just select your platform, okay, Mac and all, and then click on download. It will download one file that will be like this: MongoDB Windows. Okay, I have download for Windows 64 bits. It is this one. Okay, fine. That is MongoDB, and then Insomnia and Postman. Okay, so REST clients. So how to get the Insomnia is go to Google again, Insomnia REST client. You just type Insomnia REST client. So if you type, one second, please send the payment link mail to me. One second, please drop me one second. Drop me a test email to. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so go to Google and type Insomnia REST client. Okay, so this is official website, insomnia.rest. You can open this. Yeah, this is official website, and here you have actually two versions. Okay, two products, so you can choose this one because mostly we use for to testing the REST API and GraphQL request inspect responses, just to test the backend API. This one, so you can choose this one. Click on this latest release. It will go to another page for window. Okay, so you can download for Windows. Insomnia Core for Windows. Just click on this button. It will download Insomnia Core. If you have any other OS, just click on all downloads and you can just select your Mac OS and all. Okay, that's about Insomnia. Download installation I show you. Postman. So Postman, same again. Just say Postman desktop app. Go to Google and type Postman desktop app, and this is official website, postman.com/downloads. This is just an alternate for Insomnia. You can use, some people use actually Insomnia and some people use Postman. So if you learn both, it will be beneficial, right? So that's why we install both, and sometimes we'll test on this, sometimes we'll test on this. Okay, we'll switch between, mostly same only. So it is like this. This UI looks like this, and this UI looks like this. Yeah. So Postman, this is a website, and left side you can see download for Windows symbol is there. Just click on download. Okay, and any other platform you can find here. Download for Mac and Linux here. Every link we have a Mac option. Okay, just click on download this. Just click on this button. It will download. Yeah, sorry. You click on this button. It asks for 30 bit or 64 bit. You can just select 64 bit what you have. Okay, so that will install. I mean that will download. Okay, and we'll install that. Okay, so Postman downloaded, and next, what is there? Heroku. Okay, Heroku, you have to download one CLI. Just type Heroku CLI, command line interface. Okay, so this one, just right click, open in a new tab. This is official website, Heroku, and here they can just click on uh, download install, or else just drag to the here. You can download this one, 64-bit installer. Just click on this button. It will download you the Heroku CLI. Okay, and fine. That's the CLI. And next, Git. we need to install the Git for version control. That you can go to Google and just type Git SCM. Just type Git hyphen SCM. That's the website name. This official logo. You can open this official website here. You can choose Windows for download. Okay, this is the current release, and just click on this button. It will download your Git. If you have any other OS, they showed in the screen itself, right? Like Mac and all, we have it. Okay, so you can download it. And next, Angular CLI. Angular CLI, it is based on Node.js installation. It is just a command. Okay, I show you. Angular CLI no installation package or something. It is just a command. Even TypeScript also just a command. Okay, so I show you where it is, and then we'll do it. Softwares in Google Drive. Okay, I'm not sharing all the softwares in Google Drive because every time they keep updating the software, so better you download yourself. Okay, anyway, this video is getting recorded, and after this class is finished, this recorded video I'll be sharing on YouTube. Okay, on my YouTube channel called UI Brains Technologies. So there you can just download it and you can just watch it. Okay, so video is better to download. Okay, and fine, even if I keep in Google Drive also, you have to download it. Okay, internet is required. If you download from Google also, internet is required, so you can do it yourself. Okay, and one more thing is, if you download from my Google Drive, in future if you want to install some other software, so you don't know where to install, right? So better thing is, better download from official websites. Okay, and yeah, Angular CLI. Angular CLI, go to Google and just type Angular CLI, and very easy. See, this is the website, cli.angular.io. Let me open this. Come on, my net is slow or website is slow. Okay, fine. See, there is no installation. I mean, there is no install file or something. We can just have a Node.js command to install this. Okay, just with this command we can install. But only thing is, before you enter this command, you must have a Node.js installed in your system. Okay, so that's why I made this in the last. Okay, so once you do Node.js installation, then you can go with this. Okay, fine. Next, we need TypeScript. TypeScript also same story. You don't have a installable file. Just say TypeScript. Okay, this is official website and logo, typescriptlang.org, and here, uh, okay, TypeScript 4.0 is available. Okay, but they made all this. Okay, just click on this download link. Okay, just click on download, and here we have this one, npm install TypeScript. This is not required. Just make npm install TypeScript. But this also depends on npm, so Node Package Manager. So it's depend on Node.js. Okay, so once we install Node.js, and then we'll do this process. Okay, so it's done. And the lastly, editor. Okay, so you can choose WebStorm, or you can choose VS Code or Atom or brackets. Okay, so I show you all the installation where you can download first. Let's start with WebStorm. So WebStorm you can download from here, official website. So WebStorm, WebStorm. This is the official website. Okay, jetbrains.com/WebStorm. So here you can just download. Okay, one thing here is WebStorm, the smartest JavaScript IDE. But and one more thing I want to tell you, in this screen, every software is free. Okay, every software is free, open source, except WebStorm. Okay, see here, WebStorm is available for 30 days trial version. Okay, it is for 30 days trial version, so you can only use this for 30 days. After 30 days you need to have a license. Okay, don't worry, if you join this course, I will give you the license and you can use it for lifetime. Okay, yes, I promise I'll give you the license and you can use it for lifetime. Okay, so at least you can download as of now, and once you do the complete payment and all, I'll share it. Anyway, by 30 days, everybody will pay. So after it expire, also no issue. We can make a license and we can do a complete installation of it. So don't worry for this paid version. Okay, so I'll give you that. Fine, and so just click on this download. It will download the WebStorm, this one, because for entire course we're going to use WebStorm, and even for React.js, Node.js, Express.js, every source code can use WebStorm. Okay, this is most powerful than VS Code. Okay, but some companies also use VS Code, so some part of time we use also VS Code. So let's see how to download VS Code. VS Code, Atom, brackets, these three are free. This is paid. Okay, don't worry, your company will give you the company license, but while learning I will give you. Okay, so once you have joined the course, and yeah, VS Code, um, let me download Visual Studio Code. Yeah, this is official website, and just open this URL. Okay, so this is the official website of Visual Studio Code, and in this, just click on Windows, download for Windows. Just click on this button, it will download. And if you have any other Mac or something, just click on other platforms, it will download that Mac. You can actually select it. See here, click on other platforms, you can select Mac, Ubuntu and Windows 64-bit, 32-bit, like that. Just click on 64-bit, this one. Okay, no zip file required, just install it directly. Fine. Why I'm not preferring zip file is, zip file you have to extract it and then install. So if it is installed directly, you can install directly. Okay, fine. And anything else, if you are using, if you're familiar with Atom brackets, if you want to try Atom and brackets also, yes, you can do it. It's a free. So Atom is Atom editor, but both are just for software development only. Okay, website development only. So Atom is the official website is here. Okay, so it is developed by GitHub people itself. Okay, now it is hand over to Microsoft. So Microsoft has purchased recently the GitHub. Okay, so fine, and so let's open this. This is the official website of Atom, and you can just download. Okay, just click on this download. Okay, and fine. And lastly, if you want to try brackets, you can go to Google again, brackets editor. Okay, so this is the official website of brackets. Let me open the website. Yeah, you can download brackets or any other downloads. Just click on this. Okay, so all editors almost same. Okay, fine. So let me close all, and let's start with, these are all download of softwares. Okay, so now let's start with the real installation step. Is that work for Mac OS 2? Yes, it works for Mac OS 2. Okay, fine. Now we have successfully download all the softwares here. Okay, so now let's start with installation. Now let's start with the installation. Okay, let's start with installation. Okay, so first we'll start with Notepad++. Okay, most of the softwares I have already, but I just show you the installation again. So Notepad++. Notepad++ means, in this you can select this one, NPP. Uh, every software very simple. Just click on this, right click on the software. Just right click on the software and run as administrator. Okay, or you can double click also. Just click on this. It asks for, shall I install Notepad++? Yes. And you can choose a language, English. Click on OK. And uh, I am going the installation bit faster, but no issue. Wherever you stuck, just pause the video and finish the steps and then start the video. Okay, if you feel like you want to go slow, You can just slow the video in the settings. Okay, you can slowly install. Okay, fine. And yeah. Okay, okay. If you miss any step, you can just go to the, I mean, back of the video and you can just play it around and you can check it. Okay, so fine. Now this is the installation wizard. Click on next. Very simple. Just click on next, next. Click on next, and license agreement. Just click on agree, and it's going to install in the program files notepad plus plus. Okay, just don't change. Okay, just keep in program files itself, and click on next. And here no need to set anything. Just click on next. Create desktop icon. Yes, you can select if you wish. You want to open notepad plus plus on desktop, just click on select this and click on install. Okay, so once you install, the installation steps, the installation progress starts. I think let's try. Okay, it is installed, and just click on check this, make sure, and click on finish. So it opens the notepad plus plus. So this is for like this, if you want to take some commands. Okay, so for that we need this one, like a JSON web token storage, some notes kind of, you can take it here. Okay, so it supports multiple languages like ABCD, J for JavaScript, JSON, like that. So this is far better than the regular notepad to take some commands or notes. So for that purpose. So obviously this is not for development, just to take some notes. Okay, fine. Next, fine. That's the Node.js installation, Notepad++ installation. What next? Node.js. Yeah. How to install Node.js is, you need to go to your downloads folder, and here this one, Node version 12.18.3. Okay. This one you can right click, install. Okay, or you can just double click, it will install. So now it is preparing for install, and this is your installation wizard. And it is actually looking for the space requirements. It means how much space is required for Node.js. Do we have a space, enough space in your system or not? Just looking for that. It takes around 3 to 4 minutes, or sometimes less time. Okay, so after that, next, finish. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay, today less people join. Maybe they're enjoying the weekend or Teachers' Day. Okay, let's see from Monday. Okay, and yeah, come on. I have space, man. Come on. Migrating features. Oh, I have already Node.js, so it is looking for that, it seems. Yeah, so this is there. This is the wizard. Okay, you get enable the next button. Just click on next. Here you have to accept the license. Click on next. So installing into your program files Node.js. Yes, keep it, don't change. Okay, and click on next. And here custom setup, no custom setup. Just click on next. And here, yeah, this step is very important in the process of Node.js installation. Never ever check this. Okay, if you check this, it will install all C++ related bundles, Python bundles and all. Anyway, we don't need them, we don't use them. So if you check it, it will take 1 hour time to install this one Node.js. Unnecessary bundles we don't want. Okay, so just make sure don't check it. Okay, and click on next, and then click on install. Okay, so I have already Node.js, so I'm not showing the complete installation progress and all. Just click on install. Okay, so once you have done with installation, you get this finish. Just click on finish. Okay, done. So Node.js installed. One more thing is, once you install Node.js, you need to verify the version of Node.js. Okay, so once you install Node.js, you need to verify the version, because that's makes installation successful or not. That clarifies installation is successful or not. So how to check, sir, how I know that Node.js has installed in my system or not? This very simple command. Just open a command prompt and type the command node space -v. Okay, or else you can also say hyphen version, node space hyphen version. So this will give you the version. If it is giving the version, you can happily note that it is successfully installed in your system. So let me check my version of Node.js which I have installed in my system. You just press the Windows key, open a command line cmd, what happened? Windows key cmd, command prompt. Yeah, here you can type node space hyphen version, enter. Okay, so you get some version. I have showed the download of what? What is the version? So it is 12.18, but I have bit older version 12.14. That's okay. That's not a big problem. You can, if you once you install freshly, you get 12.18. Okay, current version 18. Okay, I have 14. That's okay, no problem. And along with this, you can also check another version because along with the Node.js installation, you get another package that's called npm. Okay, along with Node.js itself, one more package will come internally that's called npm. So npm stands for Node Package Manager. So using this package manager, we're going to install some other packages like Angular CLI, TypeScript, and all using this package. Okay, so you can even check this version, npm hyphen version. Once you install this, this also comes along with that. Let me check npm space hyphen version, enter. So this will take some time. Yeah, you get some version, and don't worry, this both versions are different because it is Node, it is npm. Okay, fine. Why npm you have to check is, see here, when you want to install Angular CLI, command is npm install Angular CLI, correct? So to get this, we need to have npm installed. That's what here. So npm comes with Node. Okay, that's why we check the npm version as well. So now we are ready to install Angular CLI as well as TypeScript. Okay, anyway, we have done with this part, right? npm. So can we install Angular CLI and TypeScript now? Okay, let's start with Angular CLI. Very simple, just copy this command, copy the command, go to your command prompt, and you just paste it. Copy this and paste, enter. So this is going to install the Angular CLI in your system. So using the Angular CLI, you can generate the Angular components, services, the snippet we can generate Angular snippet. Okay, and some chart is going on. For Angular 10, which node version is required? 12 plus. Okay, 12 plus. Fine. Come on, I think it takes some time. And make sure when you enter this command, you have uh, internet access. Okay, so make sure you connect to the internet and try this because it will download the modules from the internet. So make sure you have internet connection and then try. Okay, we have fast internet, so it will become faster. Yeah, Prasad, actually, it's there in the website, right? I mean, it's there in the video, so you can do it. I hope you are doing now itself. I think by watching me, you're doing it, so you miss what I have done, correct? So I hope so. So anyway, this video is coming immediately after this class, so definitely you can just watch the video and do it. Okay, fine, because it's getting recorded, right? Just watch what I'm doing. Okay, after this, if it is finished, and you can do it. Okay, no hurry. You have up to Monday. You have time to install. Okay, fine. So we have installed Angular CLI. Once we install Angular CLI, we have to check the version of Angular CLI also. Okay, so how to get the version of Angular CLI is, okay, I tell you, just say once you have done with installation, you get like this. Okay, Angular CLI 10.1.0. So you can do the version check. ng not caps, ng space hyphen hyphen version, enter. Okay, same, everybody having hyphen hyphen version, ng version. Let's check. CLS. CLS means a Windows command, just a clear screen, just like in Linux we use ls minus lrt. No, 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 something I forgot. Okay, leave it. CLS is to clear window. Okay, here just type ng space hyphen hyphen version. So you get the Angular CLI version. Okay, this one Angular CLI, and you can see the version Angular 10. It supports Angular 10. Okay, fine. This is about Angular CLI installation, and along with that we also install the TypeScript. TypeScript, how to install? If you go to the official website of TypeScript lang.download, here you have a link, npm install TypeScript. Don't use this option, just use only up to here. Okay, npm install. Okay, this is also not the proper command. I'll give you the proper command to install TypeScript. Just say npm install -g TypeScript. So this is the proper command to install TypeScript. Okay, so you need to copy this command and go to the same command prompt where you have left CLS to clear the screen and paste. Okay, just mouse right click, paste and enter. So this will again download the TypeScript installer from Google. So make sure you have internet connection on. Okay, so it is installed. So TypeScript 4 has released recently. So this is TypeScript 4 and done. So once you're done with TypeScript installation, you can even check the version of it. So how to check the version of TypeScript is, TSC, TypeScript compiler space hyphen hyphen version. This is a command to test the TypeScript version. Okay, just go back here. Let's say TSC space hyphen hyphen version, enter. See, you get version 4.0.2. That's what installed to you. Okay, fine. So we installed what? We installed MongoDB, Angular CLI, TypeScript. Okay, now let's start with Heroku, Git, and then we'll start with editor. Okay, editor last. Heroku. Heroku, how to install is, there is a icon here, software, Heroku. Just double click on that. Oh, too much chatting. I can't see. Please share syllables. Syllables. Do you did any major difference in Angular 8 and 10? I have already installed Angular 8. Okay, those who install Angular 8, please try to install Angular CLI again. Okay, install freshly. No, you can just cope up with everyone. Okay, not much difference, but NGRX you can face the difference. So better you install Angular CLI again. Okay, fine. And we didn't install MongoDB. We did Node.js and we moved to Angular CLI. Yeah. I'm not following the flow. Okay, actually I thought I tell you I have installed Node.js, no? So I thought I can do this to also along with Node.js. Fine. We have not done MongoDB also, right? Okay, let's start the flow. I mean, same process now. Now MongoDB, Insomnia, Heroku, Git. Okay, fine, good. Let's start with MongoDB now. Okay, so MongoDB, we have it, right? Yeah, this one. This is MongoDB. This double click on that. Good man, you're following. Okay. Uh, Double click on this. You get this installation wizard. Okay, and simple. Just click on next. Just click on next. You need to accept the license and click on next. And here you can select the complete installer. Just click on complete only. And here, this one, service configuration, no change at all. Don't change anything in the screen. Just click on next. Okay, it is properly arranged. Okay, so no changes required. Just click on next. And then here Here install MongoDB Compass. So what is this MongoDB Compass is? This is the GUI environment where you can visualize the data, tables, columns, and everything. Okay, but there is a small issue, the inbuilt MongoDB Compass with MongoDB installation. So we can see that later. So please make sure you uncheck because we install MongoDB Compass separately. Okay, so please uncheck this. Okay, because there is some issue with inbuilt MongoDB Compass with MongoDB. So make sure you uncheck this. It was checked, so uncheck and click on next and then click on install. Okay, so I'm not showing it because I have already. So they click on install, so it start the process and then you get the finish like this. Finish. Once you are done with the finish, once you're done with the MongoDB installation, you need to do some small step. What is the step is? Once you're done with MongoDB installation, MongoDB for Mac don't have proper instruction. It'll be nice if you get a link to download. Oh, is it? Yeah, I'll check. I'll check that. Okay. So once you're done with MongoDB installation, you need to check the version using Mongo hyphen hyphen version. Okay, you need to check the version of MongoDB using Mongo hyphen hyphen version. Let me check this. Go to command prompt cls mongo hyphen hyphen version, enter. So I got Mongo shell 4.2.7 and I got some version and all. It's there. Okay. Sometimes you didn't find MongoDB version. Okay, you get some error. MongoDB is not recognized. Mongo is not recognized internal command. So it means actually once you have done, I have already configured. So that's why I didn't get the error. So once you install MongoDB and enter this command, you get the error stating MongoDB not recognizing internal or external command. So before you enter this command, you need to set up environment variables. Okay, you need to set up actually the path. Set up the path in environment variables. So what is this step I tell you? Okay, so what is that is? Let's go to uh, C drive. Let's go to um, let's go to C drive and I'm showing how to set up the path for environment variables of MongoDB. Okay, so into go to C drive, I show you where you have MongoDB. Go to program files. In that MongoDB server 4.2 or you have 4.4 is the current one and bin. You need to go inside because this is what MongoDB installation and you need to copy this address. You need to copy this address and you need to set the environment variables. Okay, so how to set the environment variables is open Windows and just type env. Yeah, you get this edit system environment variables. Just click on this. Okay, so it opens a wizard. Here click on this environment variables and then you can just select the path, this one path, and then click on edit. Okay, you have two windows here, path you select and click on edit. See here I have already configured MongoDB bin, that's why I didn't get the error. Okay, now I show you the error and then I'll fix the error. Okay, what I do is I delete this. Okay, because first time when you install that entry will not be there. So once I delete, so what type of error you get is Mongo hyphen hyphen version, you get this error. Okay, so Mongo not recognized. So once you install first time, you get this error. So to avoid this error, you need to set up environment variables path. So you need to go to this location, program files MongoDB server 4.4 bin, and you need to copy the address and set up. So once you set up, it works. Okay, so how to set up? One more time. Windows, type env edit the system environment variable, this option, it opens a wizard. In this, select environment variables, and in that select the path. I'm using Windows 10, so it is little different for Windows 8 and 10. Okay, just select the path and click on edit. Yeah, in this you need to make an entry of that one. So how to make an entry? Just click on new and then paste what you have copied, the path, and make sure don't have any slash or something after bin. So bin is just a plain string. Okay, so once you paste it, click on make sure you have this one. Okay, and then click on OK. Okay, okay. So that is to set up the path for MongoDB. So once that is done, open a fresh command prompt. Okay, so once you done the setup, you need to open a fresh command prompt to detect these changes. So open a fresh command prompt, disclose all existing command prompts, and open plus command prompt. And now you type mongo hyphen hyphen version. You get this. Okay, see, no error now. I got it. And you will have 4.4. That's the current version. I have 4.2. That's okay, no problem. Fine. That is about MongoDB installation. Okay, and I'm not showing Mongo commands and insertion and all. We'll see once we start the MongoDB concepts. Okay, at least keep the installation ready. Okay, that's for MongoDB. Next, we have Insomnia and Postman. Okay, so now let's start with Insomnia. How to install Insomnia is go to your downloads folder. There is an Insomnia Core 2020 version. Just double click on that. Here next also not required, just it opens automatically. It will install itself and opens automatically. So let's see, for MongoDB installation, do we require Windows 10? No, not required. Windows 8 also you can install for MongoDB. Yeah, this is installation of Insomnia. No option for us, it will do only one setup. So it's doing it. Okay, this last 15 minutes. um, Come on. Okay, once it is installed, it opens automatically. Here, this is Insomnia. Let's wait for it to open completely. um, Come on, Insomnia Core. Yeah, so these are my previous commands and previous workspaces. Okay, don't worry, you have empty. Okay, for example, you have like this. For example, you get like this. Okay, so that's it. If you have get up to here is enough. You have successfully installed it. Okay, so work with the software and all. We'll see once we start the concept. Okay, so close it. Next, we have to install a Postman. So we have already Postman here. Okay, again same story. Double click on that. It will do installation process and it will open a software directly. Okay, so let's see. Come on. Okay, it is installed successful it seems. Now it is opening. Nice animation, huh? Okay, so you get this icon. Let's click on that here. So this is Postman. Let it wait. Um, yep, yeah, I have it. Okay, so this is your Postman. Okay, so you will have you first time when you install, you have empty request and all. This at least the software is open, so that's fine. So you have installed successfully. Okay, done. And next, what we have Heroku. Yeah, hit the Heroku is go to downloads. There is something called Heroku. Okay, So same story, double click on that, and you have installation wizard, click on yes, and here you have to select nothing, click on next, and it has to install in a program files, click on install. Okay, I'm not showing it because I have already Heroku. Okay, once you click on install, it will do a progress, and then you get, okay, and then once you have successfully installed the Heroku, you need to check the version of it. Okay, how to check the Heroku version is, type open a fresh command prompt and type Heroku hyphen hyphen version. This is for project deployment to Google. Okay, so just type Heroku space hyphen hyphen version to make sure is it installed successfully in your system or not. So open a fresh command prompt, type same command. So Heroku space hyphen hyphen version, enter. Yeah, so I got 7.14.42.5. Okay, at least I got some version. It is successfully installed in my system. Okay, that is for Heroku, and close it. What is the next software? Git. Git also same story. Go to downloads. You can find something called, oh, Git is not there. It should be there, no? Okay, let me download the Git. I think I have stopped the download. So how to get the Git? Git hyphen scm. Okay, Git actually I cancelled. Okay, so open git-scm.com and then click on this button for download. Hmm, what man? Click on this button. Okay, you get this message and you can see this. It is trying to download now. My internet is very slow, it seems. Let me check the speed. Okay, I think this will take some time. Git. Okay, it's doing now. Fast only, no? 90 Mbps. Okay, fast only, but I don't know. Uh, okay, it will take some time, I hope. Okay, just don't wait for it. Let's proceed with next one. So we'll see that Git last. Okay, so we install Angular CLI, we install TypeScript, and last thing is we have to install WebStorm or VS Code. This is very important installation. So first let's start with VS Code, and then I show you the WebStorm. Okay, so Visual Studio Code. Let me open downloads. In this you can find this one, VS Code setup. Double click on this. Double click on that. Okay, you get this wizard, and please select this accept for license and click on next, and here you can select the create desktop icon shortcut and then click on next and then click on install. Okay, so this will install VS Code. Okay, and lastly two softwares left, one is WebStorm and one is Git. Okay, we'll see. Okay, it's done and you can launch it to see how it works. Just click on finish. Now it opens the VS Code editor. Okay, so this is your VS Code uh, software. Okay, so here we can create a projects and we can test and everything. Okay, you can use this for React, Angular, Express, everything. Okay, fine. You can use either one, this one or WebStorm. If you're only familiar with VS Code, you can use this. Otherwise, you can install WebStorm. Okay, but mostly I use WebStorm. Fine, and let's start with WebStorm installation. WebStorm installation, bit lengthy process. I show you that now. Go to downloads. Just double click on this WebStorm. You get this installation wizard. Click on yes, and yeah, the screen. Click on next, and here is asking, shall I uninstall? I'm using some 19 version. So is it asking, shall I uninstall that? Maybe first time when you're doing it, it won't ask you. Okay, so I can just what we do? Shall I remove the existing? No, I don't want to. Only this you remove. Okay, fine. Anyway, you don't have this option. Okay, just click on next and click on next. Oh, I have already. So it says you have it. Just click on uninstall. Okay, it will uninstall and then install. Okay, fine. I think I have to uninstall first. Okay, it is doing itself. Simple click on next, next only. Okay, so just forget about uninstallation. You get like this. Okay, so it is installing in this particular folder. Click on next and then click on next. Okay, you get this installation options you have to select. In this, depend on your operating system, you can choose it. So mine is 64 bits, so I need the 64-bit launcher, and remaining and all you can select. Okay, so this is not required because I don't have 32-bit launcher, so I don't want to download the 32-bit JetBrains runtime, not required. And also this link, if you don't select also it will work, but if I select, it will restart my system, so meeting will stop in between, so I don't want to select, so don't select this, no issue. And yeah, just click on next and then click on install. So this will take around some 2 to 3 minutes. You can show. So this WebStorm actually developed in Java. See, you can find a lot of jar files. So last 5 minutes, we will wind up. Okay, come on. Yeah, it's a live session, right? So that's why we have to wait for the software to install. If it is a record session like YouTube video or something, so we will skip this process. Okay, but live, right? So you have to wait for it. Yeah. So it's done, and then you have to select this run WebStorm and then click on finish. Okay, so this will open a WebStorm with some options. So let's see what are the options. Come on, where is my WebStorm? Yeah, I think it's opening. Yep. Okay, let's wait for it. It's a huge software, so it will take some time. Hmm, okay, I got it somewhere. Yeah. Yeah. So this is asking for activating the license. Don't activate now. So once you join, I'll give you the license ladder. So as of now, you select this evaluate for free. So this work for 30 days. No issue. It will work for 30 days. Okay. It won't ask you any credit card details and all. Just select this and then click on evaluate. So now it opens a WebStorm. And you have the desktop shortcuts here: Insomnia, Postman, VS Code, and Notepad++, WebStorm. Okay, so let's wait for WebStorm to start. And lastly, we'll try the Git. Okay, it is trying to load. Oh, it is loading my existing project. Okay, fine. This is React.js. Yeah, first time when you load, you can't see anything like this. It just open a software like this. Okay, and fine. That's it. That's the WebStorm. Okay, so you can close it. Fine. So last software is pending is Git. So I have in downloads Git. So you can just double click on this Git. So you get this installation wizard. Click on yes, and here you can just select next, and nothing you have to select here. Just click on next, and then click on yeah. You can select here. Use Notepad++ as a Git default reader. If you want to edit the Git some commands and all, we can use Notepad++ because we have already installed it. And then click on next, and nothing here. Just select this Git itself and then click on next, and this is okay, no change. Click on next. This is also okay. This also okay. This also okay. Click. Okay, this also okay, and this okay. This okay. Just click on next, next, okay, and don't select anything here. Just click on install. Okay, no special selection. Just click on next, next, install. Okay, fine. So once you have done with installation, I have already done this. So once you're done with this, you just click on a finish. Okay. So once you're done with that, again, lastly, you need to check the version of it. How to check the version is git space hyphen hyphen version. This is the command. Okay, so let's try that. Open a fresh command prompt, last software, git space hyphen hyphen version, enter. See, I got the version. Okay, so now we have successfully installed all the softwares. Now I'll tell you in the last finishing touch. Let me check all the versions. Okay, all softwares version. First, let's start with Node.js. Node.js, how to check the version? Node space hyphen hyphen version, node installed, npm hyphen hyphen version. You get uh, npm installed, and you want to check the Angular. Just say ng space hyphen hyphen version. You get the Angular installed, and you can check tsc space hyphen hyphen version for TypeScript. It is installed, and Heroku hyphen hyphen version, it is installed, and lastly git hyphen hyphen version installed. Okay, so everything successfully installed. And one last thing, Mongo hyphen hyphen version, you get MongoDB, right? So these are the installations. Okay, don't worry if you miss anything, you get the recording, and by watching this recording, and you can install. And make sure this is very important, and make sure you do all these installations by at least by Sunday. So no class tomorrow. Okay, today is Saturday, no class tomorrow. Sunday anyway holiday, and Monday freshly will start TypeScript. Okay, and one more thing is, for those who have not received, actually I sent the payment email. Okay, payment details to everyone. Okay, those who have not received the payment details, you can just drop me a test email to this email, naveen.uybrains at gmail.com. Okay, just drop me a test email to this email ID so that I'll send you the payment details. You can do actually Google Pay, and you can do Phone Pay, uh, or you can do what? You can do credit card payments. Okay, using PayPal, and you can also do the bank transfer. Okay, so four options you have. So I'll send you the details once you send me a test mail. Okay, so if you receive already, so please do a payment, and last date for the payment is 6th Sunday. So make sure you do that, and once you do the payment, and please send me the screenshot to this email ID so that I'll make you as a subscriber for that my Windows sorry, Google Drive, so that you can download all the videos, project files on daily basis. Okay, and you can even join the live session. Okay, fine. And we also have a Telegram group. I think that link also I shared. So once you send a test mail, I'll send you that link also. So you can join the Telegram group, and you can have if you have any questions, you can ask there. Okay, fine. And yeah, that's it. Please do the software installation, and then we will uh, Ashutosh. Yeah, that's what I told, right? Please, those who not receive a payment link, do send a test mail to this email ID from your official email ID so that I can send you the details. Okay, fine. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, fine. So enough for today's class, and freshly we are going to start on Monday. Okay, and Monday we are starting TypeScript. So from very basic, we're gonna start. Okay, fine. So thank you so much, and I will see you everyday meeting from 7 to 8. No man, you joined 7 o'clock or what? Daily meeting from 6 to 8, not 7 to 8. 6 to 8, 2 hours. Okay, fine. Yeah.
Naveen, actually, I have the meeting at 7 to 8. Only 6 to 7 it is possible for me to join.
Okay, don't. No problem. You can join 7 to 8. Anyway, recording will come, so you can watch the recording. Correct? Exactly 8:30 evening, you will get the
7 to 8
recording.
I have the meeting. And the 6 to 7.
Sorry?
I have the time only 6 to 7. 7 to 8 in my company we are having the meeting actually.
Okay, what is available time? You can join it. I'm saying if you miss the class after the meeting is finished, exactly 8:30 you will receive the video and project files through your official email ID. So you can just download it and you can watch anytime. Okay, that's not an issue. Okay, fine.
Mm.
And yeah, okay.
Hello,
Yeah.
hello, sir, Naveen sir.
Ha, Jitin, tell me.
Yeah, I please convert me to the event by yesterday. I called you.
Yeah, sure. I convert already. You can join it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Anybody, any question? You can talk to me. No? Okay, fine. So thank you so much and all the very best. And we are starting the brand new Angular 10 online training from Monday. So thank you so much for joining and we'll meet on Monday. Thank you.